guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this out of the frame kind of video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab this video real quick, then I'm going to copy and actually I'm going to select mask first, and I'm going to select like the circle shape for instance, and then I'm going to then copy and paste that video, go to cutout, and I'm going to select the auto cutout button. Go back to mask and move the circle upwards so it only shows the person. You can also like track it down to just like follow his movements, because some of it will be cut down and some of it like won't, as you can see here. But I think for now I'm just going to leave it like that. And to create the like frame shape, you can just add in like a color underneath that. It's going to put this above. Oops. Go back to mask and then select the circle and then create like a frame shape out of that. And that should be it really. It is super simple to do, and I think it's a creative way to edit your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!